Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Cash App without SSN. First thing first, get Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Provide your mobile number when signing up or email address, then enter the verification code sent by Cash App to your email or phone number depending on the method you choose. Now you need to link a bank account. Add your debit or credit card details to connect your bank account, and then create your profile. Set up a unique cash tag and enter your name. Now all you have to do is start using Cash App because your account is now active but unverified due to the absence of an SSN. But with an unverified account, you can send up to $250 per week, or you can receive up to $1,000 in 30 days, and you won't have access to Bitcoin or stock trading features. Just a note, to remove limits and unlock all features, Cash App will eventually require you to verify your identity with your SSN number. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more.